Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Norton security app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here can you search for Norton here app, or just click on search. Then here add Norton security app, just click on it. Then come to next step here, click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it. Then here can you search for Norton security app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.